Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we make everyday tasks simple and straightforward. Today, we're tackling how to check your Lowe's in-store credit balance in 2025. Whether you're a frequent shopper or just curious about your rewards, this guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, the easiest way to check your balance is through the Lowe's app or website. Start by downloading the free Lowe's app on your smartphone or visiting lowes.com on your computer. It's user-friendly and updated for 2025 with enhanced security features. Once you're on the site or app, log in to your account. If you don't have one yet, sign up quickly using your email, phone number, and the details from your Lowe's credit card. Pro tip: use a strong password to keep your info safe. Cybersecurity is a big deal in 2025. After logging in, head to the My Account section. Look for Credit and Financing, or In-Store Credit Options. Click on that, and you'll see your current balance displayed clearly, along with any recent transactions. It's that simple. If you prefer an in-person approach, visit your nearest Lowe's store. Go straight to the customer service desk or any checkout register. Just tell the associate you want to check your in-store credit balance, and they'll ask for your ID or credit card to pull it up on their system. This method is great if you're already shopping. One thing to watch out for: balances might not update instantly after a purchase, so give it a day or two if you've just made a transaction. Also, if you run into any issues, like a forgotten password, use the Forgot Password link and verify via email or text. There you have it. Checking your Lowe's in-store credit balance is quick and hassle-free. This will help you manage your finances better and make the most of your rewards. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.